So 5 months after I broke my wrist, it's healed up now and I'm ready to resume remodeling on the inside of the house. This bathroom vanity was probably hooked up about 2 years ago. I never hooked up the drain or the water. There's no water. So that'll be the next project here, is to hook up the drain and get the sink going. So this drain pipe is frozen in there, so I'm going to have to cut it out probably right here and then pry this out. So the drain thing that came with this faucet over here, this one here, and it's 1.25 inches, which I think is probably European diameter. This is 1.5 inches. So actually you're going to get better performance with this one than this one. We had a plumber install the faucet and drain connection in the other bathroom, and they used this. And we've had good performance with it. We have no issues. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this guy. What I need to do is to get some sort of converter when I go into the wall to reduce from 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches. So upon further investigation, I found out that this actually is 1.25 inches, so it matches what came with the faucet and the drain. But this here, this needs to come out farther away from the wall to get under the sink, which is right here. Where's that at? Right there. So this band, which then feeds into the Petri, it's got to come farther away from the wall. So I got to get this out of here. And this, I think, is frozen in there with rust and calcium buildup. So I'm going to put some CLR on it and liquid wrench, see if I can get that guy out of there. So after 3 hours, I was able to get that pipe out of the pipe coming out of the wall. Here you can see that it was inserted about 3 inches, and I used this lubricant down here to free it up, that guy right there. And that helped quite a bit. So with that, I got it loose. And then I used this crowbar, put the boards over so I get a grip on it, and would pull it, use the crowbar to exert constant pressure to pull it out, and then whack it with a hammer on the left and right sides and the top. And that took about 30 minutes to get it out. If I was not able to, if this was not going to come out by those means, what I would have done is probably cut it right about here, use a screwdriver to drive into the here between the pipe and the other pipe, the surrounding pipe, and bend it up and then get it out, to basically tear it apart and get it out with a pair of needles pliers. But I got it out, so now I can pursue getting this bathroom sink up and running.